Hi guys, look what I did. It's for Valentine's Day, and I've done this since last month, but I'm just showing it now. That one on top is actually a flower, but the thing is, my lights went off. But that should be a flower. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys over here what I did on this side. I hope you guys can see that there. This is my relaxing time whenever I decorate the house. So yeah, I hope you guys like that. And see how it is here. It's cute. It's nice. Everything is red. And in there, you guys can see, it's a heart. I did a heart. Say hi, Tisay. Where's Trouble? Huh? Where's Trouble? And then I did this part too. Ay, naka. Walang magawa si Bona. Bored na bored. So I had done this since last month pa, nung after nung Christmas. Nag-decorate na agad ako. This word's supposed to be God loves you. And I put some hearts on this side. See? Yan ang pinagkakaabalahan ko every day. So many times na binura ko, pinalitan ko. But I just love heart. I just love to share the hearts. Hearts. See? Happy Valentine's Day for everyone.